The Amazon River is the lifeblood of the rainforest. Its waters stretch over 4,000 miles across South America. This river supports a vast and diverse ecosystem. But what lies beneath its surface? Let's dive deep into the heart of the Amazon. The Amazon is the largest river in the world. Its basin holds 20% of the world's fresh water. The river flows through 9 countries, shaping their lands. It's a vital resource for millions of people. But the ecosystem beneath is often overlooked. The Amazon River is teeming with aquatic life. From tiny fish to massive river dolphins, it's diverse. Water is the key to this entire ecosystem's existence. Floodplains and streams create a complex network. As the river swells, it brings nutrients to the land. During the rainy season, the river's reach expands. This allows for new habitats to form. Aquatic plants thrive in this ever-changing environment. The river's role goes beyond wildlife. It sustains cultures. The Amazon's waters are deeply entwined with tradition. Indigenous communities rely on the river for survival. They navigate its currents using traditional boats. The river is not just water, but a way of life. The Amazon is home to some of the world's largest fish. The Amazonian manatee is a fascinating creature. These gentle giants graze on aquatic plants and grasses. However, their population is sadly declining. Deforestation and climate change threaten their habitats. Along with the manatee, the river also hosts piranhas. These predatory fish are infamous for their sharp teeth. Despite their fearsome reputation, they play an important role. They help maintain the balance of the ecosystem. The Amazon River is rich with biodiversity. Many species found here exist nowhere else on Earth. It's a living example of nature's creativity and resilience. But this ecosystem is at risk from human activities. Illegal fishing and pollution are major threats. The balance of this aquatic world is fragile. Conservation efforts are vital for preserving the Amazon. The future of the river depends on collective action. Our understanding of this ecosystem is still growing, but there's so much to learn from the Amazon. Its biodiversity is crucial for maintaining ecological health. The Amazon River is home to countless fish species. One of the most iconic is the piranha. Despite their reputation, piranhas are not always dangerous. They are scavengers that help clean the riverbed. Another fascinating fish is the Amazonian catfish. These large creatures are known for their impressive size. They can grow up to 10 feet in length. But it's not just fish that thrive here. The Amazon is home to the majestic pink river dolphin. These intelligent creatures are often seen playing in the water. The pink dolphins are one of the river's rarest species. They have adapted to the changing environment of the river. These dolphins are known for their distinctive pink hue. The color varies from pale pink to deep magenta. But dolphins are not the only mammals in the river. Capybaras, the world's largest rodents, are common here. These social animals love to swim and graze near the riverbanks. In the waters, you'll also find giant otters. These otters are playful and highly social creatures. They live in family groups, hunting together for food. The Amazon is a haven for aquatic reptiles too. The black caiman, a species of alligator, prowls the river. It can grow up to 16 feet long, making it formidable. Their presence keeps the ecosystem in check. They are apex predators, controlling the populations of other animals, but their habitat is shrinking due to human interference. The river also hosts the green anaconda, one of the largest snakes. These powerful reptiles can grow over 30 feet long. They are mostly aquatic, using the river's currents to travel. The anaconda preys on a variety of animals, including capybaras. The river's aquatic life is also sustained by plant species. Floating vegetation provides shelter and food for fish. The water hyacinth is an invasive species in the Amazon. However, its presence is both beneficial and problematic. While it provides food for fish, it can choke out native plants. Aquatic plants play a significant role in the ecosystem's health. They help maintain water quality by filtering nutrients. The Amazon's plants also provide a habitat for countless insects. These insects are a critical food source for many animals. In the water, there's also a thriving population of amphibians. Frogs, toads, and salamanders are all part of the river's web. Some species of frogs are brightly colored, signaling danger. The poison dart frog is one of the most famous examples. It secretes toxic substances through its skin for protection. Insects, plants, and aquatic animals form a balanced system. The Amazon River doesn't just sustain wildlife. It's also a crucial resource for the people living along its banks. Over 30 million people depend on the river for their survival. Indigenous tribes have lived by the Amazon for centuries. They've developed a deep knowledge of the river and its ecosystem. The river provides food, water, and transport to these communities. Their livelihoods are intertwined with the health of the Amazon. Fishing is the primary occupation for many Amazonian families. Fishermen use simple boats to navigate the river's currents. They rely on the river's fish for both sustenance and trade. The Amazon's rich biodiversity supports a thriving local economy. Local communities also gather plants for medicinal purposes. Many indigenous people believe the river holds spiritual significance. They view the river as a sacred entity, a source of life. Traditional ceremonies are held to honor the river's power. These ceremonies often involve offerings and prayers for protection. The river also influences the way people build their homes. Stilt houses are common, designed to withstand seasonal floods. The rising and falling of the river determines the layout of towns. Even transportation relies on the Amazon's water routes. In the past, rivers were the only way to travel. Today, boats remain the main mode of transport for many. The Amazon River holds cultural value for local tribes. Songs, stories, and rituals are passed down through generations. These traditions help preserve the knowledge of the river's health. However, modern pressures are challenging these traditions. Deforestation and pollution threaten the river's resources. Climate change is causing unpredictable fluctuations in the river. These changes impact the flow, fish populations, and accessibility. Local communities are feeling the effects of these disturbances. Fishing yields are declining due to overfishing and pollution. As the river's ecosystem shifts, so do the livelihoods of locals. The health of the river is now a pressing issue for everyone. Conservation efforts are being made to protect local cultures. Sustainable fishing practices and ecotourism are gaining traction. These initiatives aim to balance ecological preservation with development. The future of the Amazon River depends on sustainable management. Communities and conservationists must work together for change. Education about the river's importance is spreading to local areas. Many local groups are calling for stricter protection laws. Governments and NGOs are also focusing on restoration efforts. While challenges remain, hope for the future persists. The Amazon's health is essential for all living beings. People's futures are closely linked to the survival of the river. The ecosystem's protection must become a global priority. The Amazon River's ecosystem is under threat from various sources. Deforestation is one of the biggest challenges it faces. Logging, agriculture, and mining have drastically altered the land. The destruction of rainforests leads to a loss of habitat. Pollution is another significant issue affecting the river. Chemicals, plastics, and untreated waste find their way into the water. These pollutants harm aquatic life and contaminate drinking water. Invasive species are also changing the delicate balance. Water hyacinths and non-native fish species are examples. Climate change is exacerbating these issues. Altered rainfall patterns lead to unpredictable flooding. Higher temperatures stress aquatic species, affecting their survival. The rise in global temperatures is warming the river. This disrupts species that thrive in cooler waters. As the Amazon River faces these threats, conservation efforts grow. The government and local organizations are working hard. Sustainable fishing programs are being promoted to reduce overfishing. NGOs are planting trees to restore deforested areas. Protected areas are being established to safeguard biodiversity. More research is needed to understand the full scope of damage. Many scientists are focused on studying the Amazon's ecology. Understanding the river's ecosystems is vital for conservation. Global awareness campaigns are helping increase support for the Amazon. Educating local communities on conservation is key to success. Collaborative efforts between governments and tribes are essential. Ecotourism is being encouraged as a way to fund preservation. Tourists are learning about the importance of the river's health. Their visits provide vital funds for local conservation projects. Local populations are increasingly engaged in environmental activism. The future of the Amazon depends on everyone's action. Everyone must realize the river's role in the global ecosystem. A healthy Amazon means a healthier planet for all. Protecting the Amazon River is a shared responsibility. The efforts to save the river must be urgent and consistent. The Amazon's future is in our hands. It's time for global cooperation in protecting this wonder. The river has been resilient, but its future is uncertain. Every small action contributes to its survival. We must act now to ensure its health for future generations. The Amazon River holds the key to much of Earth's life. Preserving it is not just an option, it's a necessity. Together, we can protect the Amazon and its incredible biodiversity. The Amazon River is more than a body of water. It's a symbol of nature's magnificence and fragility. Let's keep it flowing for the future of our planet.